Hey Matt.
Hey Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to talk about life experiences. What are you looking at?
Well, I'm trying to plan my next holiday. I've been to Paris and Tokyo. Have you been to Milan?
No, I haven't, but you just used the present perfect for life experiences.
What are you talking about?
Let me show you. When you want to talk about life experiences or ask someone about what they have experienced in their life, you can just use the present perfect. That's have or has plus the PP, the past participle. So, I have been to Paris, or have you been to Milan?
What do you mean by life experience?
Well, that's something that you've done in your life, like I've eaten sushi or I've gone skydiving. But you're not giving any specific details yet.
Okay, and for that, I need the present perfect. So the present perfect needs have.
Or has, if it's he, she, or it.
And what is this PP again?
That's the past participle. So remember that all verbs have two past forms, the past simple and the past participle. So you have do, did, and done is the PP. Go, went, and gone. Eat, ate.
Eaten.
Right.
And how would I go about forming a question?
Well, you just need to put the have or has at the beginning of the sentence, then the subject, and then the PP.
Okay, I think I've got it. So what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about life experiences using the present perfect. So, have you decided where you're going on your holiday?
Well, I think I'm going to Russia. I've never been there.
But it's December. Bring a warm coat.
I'm ready!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.